Okay, so if you have a yo-yo stroller and you took it apart to wash the material, then you might have something that looks like this, and getting it back together can be pretty challenging. So let's do it step by step. Okay, so now we're gonna insert those metal loop things. There's two of them. Start with the smaller one. That's gonna go on the back here, right here below the window above the zipper. Goes right in here. Just slide it in nice and slow. You don't poke any holes in there. And it should go out, stick out about 1.5 inches. Now turn this around, get the larger of the two loops. This gets inserted right here next to this label. Be careful, don't poke too hard. You could rip the fabric very easily. Might get caught over here, just get that stuff out of the way. We'll move on to this, the lower component. This is what gives it its sort of structure. Okay, the seatbelt type things, that's the front. And we have the single one here, kind of the seatbelt things towards the top. Get this plastic piece. This is facing up. That's for the stroller orientation. If this is not facing up, you have it set up for the bassinet. That is a different video. We'll do this with the stroller orientation. The black piece slides over it. There's a pocket right here. Slide it over there like that. That's the first step. Now get these things right here and slide them right here on that little ridge there. Repeat it for the other side, just like so. Starting to give this some structure. There's some safety loops right here. Loop those around. There's another one right here. These are sort of duplicative, but again, they're safety measures, so it's nice to have two of them. Just make those nice and snug. You could tighten this here if the baby's leaning too far back, but don't really have to worry about that. Now we'll be looking straight at the stroller. You'll get this Velcro loop right here. This gets snaked through here and through here. They'll meet up on the bottom. So just pull it nice and tight. It'll close right there across the bottom. That'll prevent the seat from lifting up. Now you have these. That's a Velcro loop. It uses this piece right here. So go around through this piece of plastic and back down. Pull that one nice and tight. That's the tensioner. Same thing on this side. Again, around, up, through the loop, back down, tensioning this piece right here. Now you have one in the middle. The middle one goes through the little hole right here, down, pull it up this way, and it tensions across the front, though this one you can't really pull as snug. So this stage, the back, this sort of area that supports the cushion is nice and tight. These are taut, these are taut. Okay, so now the padding goes in, goes like this. Snake the lower piece through. Get these out of the way, put these in the appropriate place for your child. And now you get the lower parts of the harness. This goes through here, and the webbing locks in place on that little ridge right there. So now that 5-point harness is back working again. The only thing you want to do now is this little piece right here. This can kind of snake through here, and that loop connects on the underside. Okay, the last part is the canopy, which can be confusing because it's so floppy. Basically identify the back, That has the window and the pocket. Flip that back up if you took it down. The first thing you want to do is get the big loop and figure out where that's supposed to go. The metal thing goes into this upright. So basically put one in here, pull down this security loop and get that over there. Repeat that for the other side. Put it in there and pull it down. So now this is nice and secure, and the canopy is starting to look the way it used to. There are some Velcro dots. Connect those. Those aren't structural. Those will keep everything just in good shape. There are two more of these exposed pieces of metal. We're gonna put those right here. These ones can be really tricky, so just line it up and then put this loop around. Do the same on the other side. Get it pushed down all the way. Get the loop in there. Could be hard to see once it's black on black, but basically we have the metal piece going down into here, the loop going around this nub right here, which is locking it in place, preventing it from going up. Lastly, you want to get this bit of Velcro right here, connect this to the back of what is essentially the headrest. So now that Velcro is connected here, this will give the pocket the correct shape and structure. At this point, the stroller should look like it did before. If there's anything that looks off, you can make some adjustments at this point, but you should be good to go. Let's just fold it down and make sure it looks the way it should. So it collapses properly with no force. Nothing is weird. Nothing is where it shouldn't be. So basically this is good to go. So that is how you reassemble the fabric on your Yoyo stroller. It's not that easy, but once you get the hang of it, you can do it pretty quickly. Thanks for watching.